Hey there YouTube. Today I'm making a really quick video on the CPU fan in my Codex R. It originally comes with this really cool LED fan, and I wanted quiet, not shiny, so I replaced it with a Noctua. I was a little concerned that this was a proprietary fan and that another 120mm fan might not fit, but it does fit. It cuts it very close to the RAM. So if you have two fully populated banks, you might have to offset the fan a little bit from the CPU cooler. Mine just cleared it, like by a millimeter. So I initially tried to take out the video card, which seems like an easy task, but the motherboard release was very brittle, and even when I was pushing on it pretty hard, I couldn't get it to pop the card out, even with the screws unscrewed, of course. So I was able to use a pair of long needle nose to clip the retainer clip back on, but you could also use like a pair of forceps or something. You literally just push here, so like push towards the back of the case and this will pop out. And the bottom one's just really hard to get to. That's like the worst part of this. I took off the old rubber spacers. I think they call them anti-vibration pads. I took them off the old fan and just stuck them right to the Noctua fan. Saved myself 10 bucks. Make sure you push them in there as much as you can, because it'll make the clips too hard to clip if you have these sticking out more than like a millimeter. Alright, the worst part about putting this thing in is these clips. After much fighting, I finally got the bottom one in, and now I'm working on the top one. It would have been easier to take the video card out if retainer clip for the PCIe card wasn't stuck and brittle. So there's it installed. The header for the CPU fan is in the top right side of the motherboard there. And to remove the old one, unfortunately you do have to clip some zip ties from the cable management over here, but those really should have been Velcro straps anyway. Alright, now to tidy up this cable. Alright, so this fan is so quiet compared to the old CPU fan. I actually thought it might be malfunctioning and not being controlled by the board. It's just so quiet. I can't even, I think that's a reason why Noctua is, well known. I'll start a stress test. I never did this with the old fan, so I'm not sure what RPMs it hit at what temperatures, but this is 100% CPU, and 75 or 76 degrees Celsius is just fine by me because I'm not a gamer and I don't care. Okay, I used Dragon Center to manually set the fan speed to 100%, and it's still quieter than the old fan. Here's the fan at 500 RPM. This is 950 RPM. 1400. And 1700. I ran this stress test for 2 hours, and the system never overheated or anything, so pretty happy with my purchase. Thanks for watching.